Welcome to Out of This World Science. Today we are covering 4th grade science and we're doing the solar system and all of the planets that are included in that. Our students will be looking at videos as well as doing matching activities to test their intelligence and what they've learned from our lesson.
Here we have a video. My name is Sammy Costa, and this video is a very child appropriate video where it explains the order, the planets, and simple facts about it. But for the sake of time, all the teacher has to do is click this button and it goes out to all of his or her students. Once you press play, the video will go out to all the devices, and then you simply press the next button. This device is called Nearpod, and it goes out to every other device that the students are using.
So here is the recap. We just wanted something for the teacher to be able to talk to each of the students. There's a picture so he or she can explain the order before the students have a matching activity, as well as look at each picture closely if they missed it within the video so that they can just have a better idea of the concept before they're going to be tested on it in a relaxed way.
And here we have an activity where the students, so on our screen right here, you don't see the activity since this is the teacher's viewpoint. But from the student's viewpoint, you actually get to see a well-organized matching activity. You have children who will match pictures to their actual planet. So if you click on this button right here, this is what the students will see. So this is the correct order. Actually, the teacher sees this, the students will see the mixed jumbled up pictures. And once they all answer, you'll see the results. And then you can go on as a teacher and identify where do you need to review and what do you need to work on more.
So here is our second activity. This is ordering the planets correctly to test not only do the students know what planet goes with which picture, but also what the order is. This matches with our SOL as well as our objective so that we're able to measure how many of the planets the students can get correctly. Our goal is to get 8 out of 8, or to have the teacher be able to have the students get 8 out of 8. And again, you can see the matching pairs that would be the correct order for each of the students. And again, you can see the results right away after they've completed the activity.
And after the students see the incorrect pairs on their end, they match them up and hopefully they get all 8 correct. The teacher will see the results and then ask the students, hey, do y'all have any questions? And then students will be like, yeah, I do. And they'll hopefully ask some questions. So, that was it. Shout out to Kristen Caldwell, who was also in this group as well. The nice lady beside me, her name is
Rachel.
Rachel Perry. She was supposed to say it there. We're having
Sorry.
fun. All right, take care, guys. Hope you enjoyed the presentation.